How to set up free shipping threshold in Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up free shipping threshold in your Shopify store so you can encourage your customers to spend more and increase your average order value and also your income. So it's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard, you can go to discount here. In the discount tab, you can click on it. And as you can see in the discount page, I have one discount active here. So it's called Welcome 20. So basically it's for the customer who haven't purchased. So they will get 20% discount. So I will create new one here. Click create discount here. Then you can choose free shipping here. And then now you can set up the free shipping. So you can choose the automatic discount here. And you can put the title, maybe free shipping discount, just like that. Then you can set up if you want to it's applied to all countries or selected countries. I'm gonna choose all countries. And then if you want to exclude shipping rates, maybe if it's more than 20 $25 maybe or $50, it will not include in the discount campaign. And then for the eligibility, you can choose for all customers, or if you have specific customer segment, it's up to you. And then this one is the important part. So you have to set up the amount or the minimum purchase. So we're gonna create the threshold. So maybe the minimum is 150, so they will get a free shipping, maybe like that. It's up to you. And you can make the combination if you want, and then you can just set up the active dates, but I'm gonna make it forever. And then just click save. And it's saved. If I go back, and this is the new discount. It's typo by the way, but yeah, and you can announce it in your social media and other platform. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.